Welcome to Fly with Odin.
Waiting for the moment
If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.